Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we continue with our chapter, The Junk Seller. Dear children, you must have gone to the market once in a while and bought some items from any shop or any vendor. So what do? We give him some notes that we have and he gives us the balance amount. So how do you know where he has given you the correct balance amount? Yes, by subtracting. You subtract the amount you have given and the amount of on your bill, the amount of your items that you have bought, the price of items. Okay, dear children. So that is subtraction of money. So there you perform subtraction. And today we are going to learn about subtraction of money only, how you correctly subtract two amounts of money. Okay, dear children. So here we start with our first example. Again, I would like to repeat here the most important point that you need to learn and keep in mind is the arrangement and placement of decimal. Okay, dear children. So let's begin. So I will write the first amount here. The first amount we have 470 rupees and 32 paise. So it will be written 470.32 and the amount to be subtracted here, we have 325.39. So again we will start from the right hand side. 9, then 3, then point, then point should come below the point, please remember this, then 5, then 2 and 3. So we have rupees 325.39 paise. Okay, dear children. So let's start our subtraction. We have here 2 minus 9 can't be done. So we have to write 12 here by borrowing 10 from this digit. So what will this digit become? It will become 2. Again here we see that 2 is smaller than 3. So this subtraction cannot be performed. So we have to take carry from here. So 0 becomes 9 and 2 becomes 12. Again here we see that 9 is greater than 5, but here we have taken a carry. So from where we have taken carry? We have taken carry from 7. So we have taken borrow from 7. So 7 becomes 6 here. Now we don't have to borrow anything because 6 is greater than 2. So we can easily subtract 2 from 6. So let's start a subtraction now. 12 minus 9 is 3. Again 12 minus 3 is 9. Point comes here. 9 minus 5 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4 again. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So dear children, that's our answer. 144.93. Rupees 144.93. Let's solve two more examples, children, to understand this concept better. We write the first amount, the amount from which to be subtracted. It's 1830.45 and the amount to be subtracted 5. I start from the right hand side, then point, then 9, 3 and then 7. Rupees sign, rupees symbol. Okay, children. Now we start our subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. Here we can't subtract 5 from 4. So we make this 14. So we have taken carry from this 0. So this 0 becomes 9. And this 3 becomes 2 because we have borrowed from this 3. So this 3 becomes 12 because we have to we have to subtract 3 from 2. So that can't be done. So we make it 12, and how we make it 12? We have taken borrow from this 8. So this 8 becomes 7. Okay dear children, now let's subtract. 14 minus 5 is 9. Here we get point below the point. Now 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay dear children, 12 minus 3 is again 9. Then we get 7 minus 7, 0 again. And here below 1 there is no digit. So we take it as 0. So 1 will come here. Okay dear children, 1 minus 0 is 1. So this is our answer. $1090.90 is our answer of this example. Now we move to our last example. Here we have rupees 2000. Again, because there is no point, we will put a point and write 2 zeros after the point to indicate the amount of paise, to indicate the part of paise here. Now we write the amount to be subtracted. The amount to be subtracted here, we start from the right hand side. 5, 1, then point, then 5, 8, 5 and 1. Let's do the borrow part, and here we get 10. Obviously this becomes 9. This also becomes 9. This also becomes 9, and this also becomes 9 because all are zeros, and we cannot subtract all these from zeros because all these digits are greater than 0. Yeah. So here again you can see, as we have taken carry in this 0 also, so this also our 2 becomes 1. The 2 also is cut, and we have taken borrow, so we write 1 in place of 2. Now we will start our subtraction. Let's do 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. Point comes here. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4 again. And here 1 minus 1 is 0. So we don't write it here. We can leave it just like that without writing any digit, as it is the last one. So our answer is here 414.85. Okay children, I think you have understood the subtraction of money. Please try on your own. Thank you so much.